Finding the courage to change. Hero of my own story. Once upon a time might be the most powerful words ever written. We look to stories for knowledge, inspiration, and hope. We look for a path out of our current dark situation. We look for a connection to our fellows. We look for evidence that we are connected to something greater than ourself. The classic story form is the hero's journey. The hero is an ordinary person with a challenge. After a series of successes and failures, the hero overcomes a challenge. Along the way, the hero discovers he has hidden talents and abilities. He is greater than he realized. The hero's journey never gets old. This is because we instinctively know that we are each the hero in our own story. We identify with the hero. We can imagine that we, too, can succeed on our quest in life. Like every hero, I'm very ordinary. I have my own unique challenges. Like most heroes, I'm searching for something. I know that there's something more than what I've got. I've discovered my mentors and maps. They are my teachers and the 12 steps and the law of attraction. I've discovered my companions in the several communities that I'm drawn to. But the journey is mine to take. No one can take it for me. As with any journey, there is discomfort, long days, uncertainty, fear of the unknown, unexpected danger, and setbacks. However, there's also more joy and beauty than I expected. My treasure is serenity. It's calling me forward on my own hero's journey.